Hello viewers, I am Mohit Malhotra, an associate at Dialyzy. So I would be talking about the non-disclosure agreement. A non-disclosure agreement (NDA) is a legal contract that establishes a confidential relationship between two or more parties, comma, outlining the terms and conditions under which confidential information can be shared. So here are the 10 key points to summarize NDA. So the definition: a non-disclosure agreement is a legally binding contract that protects sensitive and confidential information from being disclosed to third parties without proper authorization. So who are the parties involved? An NDA involves at least two parties: the disclosing party who owns the confidential information and the receiving party who will have the access to the information. So I will now talk about the confidential information. The NDA clearly defines what information is considered confidential, such as trade secrets, business strategies, technical know-how, customer data, financial information, or any other proprietary information. So the purpose of disclosure is the NDA specifies the purpose for which the confidential information is being shared. This could include discussions for a potential business, partnership, investment, collaboration, or employment relationship. So the obligations of the receiving party are: the receiving party may agree to maintain the confidentiality of the disclosed information and to use it solely for the specified purpose. They are legally bound to protect the information from unauthorized access or disclosure. So what are the exceptions to confidentiality? The NDA may outline certain exceptions where the receiving party is not obligated to maintain confidentiality, such as information that was already publicly known or independently developed, without reference to the disclosed information. So what's the duration of confidentiality? The NDA defines the duration of confidentiality obligation. It may be specific for a period such as 2 years or may extend indefinitely, depending on the nature of information and agreement between the parties. So what are the remedies for breach? The NDA typically outlines the remedies available to the disclosing party in case of a breach of the agreement, such as injunctive relief, monetary damages, or specific performance. So what are the governing laws and jurisdiction? The NDA specifies the governing law that will apply to the agreement and the jurisdiction where any disputes will be resolved. The NDA may include a clause stating that the agreement constitutes the entire understanding between the parties and that any amendments or modification must be made in writing and signed by all parties. So viewers, here I'll end up this video, and if anyone of you any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.